something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. You know I can't stop loving you. Every time when you're looking at me, it feels like my heart is skipping a beat, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in a good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love and feeling alright. And let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Do everything I'll ever need. So let's talk about love. Can I take you out tonight? Kiss you in the moonlight. There is no place I'd rather be. Come on, girl, we can take my car, drinking some beers in your favorite bar, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in that good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love.
I just got ready for the day. Hello. There was kind of a gap in filming this morning. I fed had to feed the twins after breakfast, and we just got them dressed because we are going to Chick-fil-A to feed the girls, and then we're going to go to see my husband at work at the hospital. And we just got the twins dressed, so I want to show you guys how they look. Hi guys. Hi. This is a little pilot aviator jacket. And then she has on her unicorn onesie with the feet. They just were able to get 3-month clothing on, and it fits, except for these pants. These 3-month pants are a little big. Don't worry guys, this rug is clean. We vacuumed it last night, so it's clean. I think her eyes are blue. They look pretty blue. Can we see your eyes? I'm not sure if the camera will pick it up. You look so grumpy. Hold on. There we go. And then I think he's gonna have brown eyes because his eyes look really dark. Do you have dark eyes? Huh? I think you have mom's eyes. We just got to the hospital and my husband's landing. It's like perfect timing. The girls can see. Can you see? Look, baby. Look in the sky. Look up there, baby. Up there. In the air, baby. It's been a while since the girls have gotten to see him like land like that. So we got here at perfect timing. That was not planned at all. Hold on, baby. Happy Sunday, you guys. I miserably failed at vlogging yesterday. Once we got home from the hospital, we were all just so tired, and it was my first day having 4 kids alone, so I'm better today. I had a great night of sleep, well, much as I possibly could. But I want to show you guys the girls' room because a lot of you have asked about it, and this used to be the guest room, and it was going to be the twin nursery, but the girls wanted to share, so we gave them a unicorn room and bought them bunk beds and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys now. And it's not perfectly clean, but it'll have to do. So here's the room when you first kind of come in. We got these bunk beds from Wayfair, and this used to be the TV in here, but needs to go downstairs. And then this bedding is super pretty. It has this glitter, I guess. It's kind of like built into the fabric. And we got this at Target. And then we also got this at Target. Just like another woodland kind of thing with unicorns on it. And then these unicorn stuffed animals also came from Target. And then those are from Target. This is from Home Goods. That's from Home Goods. This is from Hobby Lobby. And then that's also from Hobby Lobby. So they just agreed for a unicorn theme. And then we bought them this TV for on the wall. And then this dresser was Aniston's, part of her crib set from her nursery, but it matched the bunk beds. So this is what we did for them for a unicorn room. And I think they want some more decor and stuff. So we'll definitely get some of that whenever we're out and about sometime. And then this came from Target, I think. Right, Paige? Mm-hmm. Yeah. This came from Target. And then this is just for Easter up here. And then the girls decorated themselves. So they put their sloths in their Christmas trees. And then this unicorn came from Michael's, I think. And then, yeah. So it's pretty cute.
Take you out tonight, kiss you in the moonlight. There is no place I'd rather be. Come on, girl, we can take my car, drinking some beers in your favorite bar, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in that good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love, and feeling alright. And let's talk about love.
Well, this whole weekend has been a complete vlogging fail. Complete fail. There we go. I thought I could handle vlogging just one of the days with all 4 kids. And it's just been a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. And a lot of you guys have asked about me daily vlogging now that I'm home full time. Hopefully I'm in focus. I think the focus isn't working because the lighting in here is not, it's not the best. Anyways, I'm sure everything's about to erupt downstairs, so I'll be quick. But in response to those who ask about daily vlogging, honestly, you guys, can I just get this out? But in response to those of you who have asked, I'm just going in and out of focus. I'm really sorry. The lighting's just not the best. I would not make a good daily vlogger because I'm not like other YouTubers who daily vlog. A lot of the daily vloggers that I watch, like the daily mom vloggers I watch, my videos just aren't like theirs because, and this is nothing against them. I actually like their videos a lot. I watch them all the time. But in their vlogs they put out all week, you know, they're going places, they're, you know, shopping, they're out of the house, they're going here, they're going there. But with the twins, at least right now, I just can't run all over town with them. So I don't think that my vlogs are going to be that interesting. Like this vlog right here is a complete fail. So let's not compare my vlogs to this vlog, but like I try to vlog on days that I have something going on. And on days I can get my camera to focus. I try to vlog whenever we do leave the house, whenever we have stuff going on. That's why I wanted to vlog yesterday, because I knew we were going to the hospital. But I'm just not like them right now. I can't just keep you guys entertained with, this just sums up my whole vlog. I'm just like, I gotta finish the vlog with a bang of not being in focus. But I just don't think you guys would be very interested if I vlogged every day or even put out 3 vlogs a week. I think you guys would be really bored with my channel. So I still want to put out vlogs when I can and when we're actually doing something that I think you guys would like to watch. But I'm still going to do a mixture of sit down videos and hopefully some more cleaning and organization videos, as well as vlogs. So let me know like what you guys think about that. But I want to keep you guys entertained and keep you let you guys watch what you want to watch, and whatever you like to watch I will put out. But at the same time, daily vlogging is just not it right now. Okay, I'm in focus. I am on the struggle bus, you guys. I need something, and this is not it. So thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Sorry for this fail of a video. I'm ridiculous. This is ridiculous. But let me know what you guys think about my video content quality, and what you guys want to see as far as videos, and I'll make it happen for you guys if I can. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I need a bubble bath and a glass of wine, so I will see you guys next time. Bye.